Well, here we are in August, and I'm at Portland Nursery, and it's a hot day, but I'm inside the greenhouse with Sarah, and the fans are on. So, Sarah, it's really nice in here. There's a little breeze.
It's a little bit of a break, and you know, we've got some plants here that love this heat and sun.
Do.
So we wanted to show you a little bit about those today.
And so we have sunflowers, and we have rudbeckias. So let's talk about the sunflowers first.
That's a great idea. This one here, I'm in love with. I think I'm taking home. It's part of the new Sunbelievable series.
Okay.
And this one's called Brown-Eyed Girl.
Cute.
Perfect little name for it, and it just keeps blooming and blooming and blooming and blooming and blooming. So this one's going to have just profuse flowers, and I especially just love the foliage. It's a little more enticing than the usual sunflower.
A little wave to it, and it really adds a lot of character to the plant.
I think so, yeah. More of a shrubby than just kind of like the tall flower.
And you know, we talk about tall ones, so if we didn't get our seeds going, these are really nice to put in because you could still have sunflowers in your garden if those seeds didn't work.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very nice. And so you have a couple other ones here.
Yeah, this one is a Little Becca, and it's got kind of a red tint to it there. So I think it just gives it a little bit different look. I mean, you can use it with the classic yellow sunflower to complement, or you can use it on its own for kind of a little bit more fall look.
Definitely. And this one's really different. It's kind of fun that it's way off the charts for sunflowers.
It is a little different. Yeah, it's got kind of like a peachy maroon color to it. So it's just got almost like antique kind of look.
It does,
you know?
very much.
Like a rustic sunflower look to it. And with all of these, you're going to want to give them a lot of sun.
Sure.
Definitely full sun, lots of water, and they're really heavy feeders. So they're going to need, you know, those fertilizer to keep going and going all summer and fall. Oh,
really? And it really is going to be something to have in the garden. But then we have something that looks like a sunflower. So what's this one?
Yeah, rudbeckias are common, you know, kind of look like sunflower. You see the goldstrum all over town.
Right.
And it's beautiful. But this one's a little bit different. It's a brand new one. It's got this unique petal, which is why we chose it, because they look like little tubes as they're unrolling, and it's got a good color. So we thought that one was a little fun. You could mix that with any of these as well.
Definitely. And what's the name of this one?
Oh yes, this one is the Electroshock.
Really nice. And so we need to deadhead them, of course.
Yes, deadheading is another major thing you need to do for both the rudbeckias and the sunflowers to keep those good blooms coming up.
So you know, these are wonderful varieties, and there are 2 Portland nurseries, one on Division, one on Stark. So please call ahead because you know they sell fast. It's the summertime, and you can go to gardentime.tv and click over to the Portland Nursery website for that phone number and directions. Thanks so much, Sarah.
Thank you.